Hi guys, so today we're gonna try this pressure washer from Xiaomi, and we're gonna try to use the pressure washer to wash my car. So one thing special about this washer is it is cordless. It gets its power from a battery which is chargeable with a USB Type-C cable. The portability makes it a great way to clean your car on the fly, especially when water hose is not available, or you want to avoid rubbing your car against the hose or the cable. This makes perfect sense to get a product like this. Now, however, to operate this, you will need a bucket with you. The bucket is to carry the water so that you can put the hose down. Xiaomi has actually prepared a clip for you to keep everything in place. Just pull this down a little bit, and then over at the washer here you have this attachment where you can put the soapy detergent here, and then on the nozzle here you can see you can actually tweak, you can toggle between different output style. So here you have foam shower, and then the degree, 40 degrees, 20 degrees, 0 degrees, jet style, shower style. Yeah, so it's pretty intuitive here. Then we can lock it here. Let's go check it out. No, 0 degrees. Jet mode. For this one, we'll need some kind of soapy detergent here to make it work. So we're gonna try on this spot right now. We're gonna use the shower style. Smudge. Just like that. Obviously it's not going to be really clean, but it helps you to clean the car, and you can clean it on the fly. This is how I would use the washer. Just one hand with the washer and the other with the bucket of water. Totally untethered. Once you're done using, you can detach the water hose from the washer and separate the wet stuff from the stuff that cannot get wet. Perfect. Alright, so I'm back with the car wash shampoo, and with this I will fill up the attachment here with the shampoo, the car wash shampoo, and try to do a foam shower. Let's go. So alright, Alright, so I've just filled this up with the car wash shampoo. Let's see how it goes. I'll also switch it to the foam shower mode. The shampoo stuff coming out. So good. So there you have it. This is a Xiaomi Cordless pressure washer. Great product. I love it. See you guys in the next one.